Alright guys, it's time for us to replace this window switch. There, look at it. As you can see, it's punched through. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. We're gonna plant the camera and see how we can get this out of here. Guys, a closer look here. There's two tabs on both sides of this switch, so you want to get a small flat blade screwdriver to kind of pry in there, trying to wedge in there without scratching the paint, catch onto the lip and push that tab in. There's two tabs, one on each side, and I'll show you guys a closer, well, I'll give you guys a closer look in a second at the switch itself. You want to just push the tab on each side. Once you get one side out, you want to push the other side in. Okay guys, it don't come out that far. I thought it would come out farther. Okay, so we're gonna leave the plug right there. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna unplug it and plug it back in. The goal is to get in there and push this side down, and then this side will catch. So you're gonna get this side pressed down and pull it out on an angle and hold it with some pliers and get the, or spin it around and get the other side pushed in, that other tab right there, pushed in, and it'll pour it clean out. There's a new switch, old one, identical. Okay, use the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver to hold me back here while I plugged it in. So let's push it back up. All those clamps right there, lock in place, we should be good. Yep, we're good. Door, let's unlock the door. Door's unlocked. Let's check the window. It's not open. Let's press the button. Works perfect. Alright guys. If you found this video helpful, guys, subscribe to the channel. Clean this all up. Got a new button in. We're gonna clean this up, guys. And the next video for this, guys, will be oil pan gasket and the driver's side motor mount. All the parts are here. So putting an OEM, GM, General Motors oil pan gasket and aftermarket motor mount.